Today we are going to talk about PSD2, why has it developed, what is exactly PSD2, what are the major changes as well from PSD to PSD2, and what will be the consequences for major banks and fintechs. In order to understand PSD2, we have to go back to the original PSD, which stands for Payments Service Directive, which was adopted back in 2007. It essentially created a single market for payments in the European Union. Since then, major technological breakthroughs have occurred, and as a result, many fintech players and services have emerged that were not regulated at an EU level and therefore outside of the scope of the PSD1, and for that reason an update was needed. PSD2 is basically a revised version of the PSD and came into play early this year in 2018. This basically means that now all these new emerging fintech players can also be regulated and registered at an EU level. The goal of the PSD2 is basically to make payments safer, to increase consumers' protection and foster competition and innovation between all the fintech players, including the new ones. These new fintech players will have now access to the consumer's bank account, but just if they give their permission. They will also have increased security and a broader geographical reach. PSD2 is basically good news for fintechs. Major banks will have now to invest money in modernize their legacy systems and services, and for that reason they will look for outside help. In a nutshell, PSD2 will foster innovations in the payments space, and it's also good news for consumers as they will have more choices.